Lucky Zach leading up next, and then Buttons and Bows. Eyes Alert, and one of the last ones will be Like a Dream. So the triallers are pretty well behaved at this point in time, and let's hope that's the way it stays. Talico about to be taken along by Kristen Smart for the Clancy Yard. Miss Splendor is their other runner. Now, we've got about 3 out. Buttons and Bows. Name of a well-known song, I think, by Doris Day. Buttons and Bows. East is east and west is west, and that's the way it goes. Now, Eyes Alert's about to come up, and the last one will be Like a Dream, as Eyes Alert in the all-dark blue goes forward. Trained by Johnny Marzol, owned by Kringle Stud, but carrying the Marzol Yard colours. Now, they look to be right. The last one going up was Like a Dream, and the starter, Mr. Donahue, is across to his stand. He's about to turn the light to red. It is now. Barrier triallers, 10 of them are ready to go. Racing now. Not a bad jump for triallers. Sullivan's Style might have missed it a shade, and on the inside, Like a Dream, a little slow. Of the others, they jumped out very quickly, and none better than Buttons and Bows. Immediately in front from Eyes Alert and Talico, the Dude are in that next division. As they slipped up along the side, Spare Parts was racing prominently. After 2 or 3 lengths then was Miss Splendor on the inside of Sullivan's Style. Now getting well back in the trial was Like a Dream. Behind it was All Ears, and there's another one well back as well. It was Lucky Zach as they made the run into the corner, and down near the inside, Buttons and Bows is the leader and is the first one to sight the judge. On the outside, racing up was Talico, and Eyes Alert is there as well. Buttons and Bows nearer the inside, just the leader. Eyes Alert coming at it out wide. The Dude just in behind them, but Buttons and Bows is still going okay. Buttons and Bows the leader. He's now shaking it up late. Buttons and Bows is in front. It'll win. Buttons and Bows won it from tight for second, either Sullivan Style or Spare Parts in a photo. They're being followed by Eyes Alert and the Dude and Talico. Miss Splendor raced further back with Like a Dream. All Ears was back in the pack on the outside of those, and one of the last ones home will be Lucky Zach. Buttons and Bows, trained by Jim Scobie up at Gundagai, has led most of the way to win the trial. Number 2, Buttons and Bows. 5-year-old Chestnut Gelding by Dream Ballad out of Ribbons for Me, and ridden by Brad Vale. Buttons and Bows has done the job well in 61.6. 101.6 for Buttons and Bows to beat number 8 out wide, Sullivan Style, whose run was good because it was a little bit slowly away, and number 7, Spare Parts, has got third. Number 3, Eyes Alert, who was with the leading runners into the lane, has held on for fourth. Confirming 2, 8, 7 and 3. That winner is raced by Jim Scobie and Kath Blay together with Ben Blay. Kath, of course, is the vet up at Gundagai. Ben Blay, very good horseman, and Jim Scobie likewise. So the family have the ownership of this 5-year-old by Dream Ballad, and Buttons and Bows wins the barrier trial quite nicely. Number 8, Sullivan